Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links and subscriptions from line items in Hubspot deals. To get started, head over to the Sales tab and click on Deals. If you can't find it right away, you can also use the search bar and search for the Deals tab under Apps. Make sure to click on it. Next, choose the deal that you want to edit. For this example, I'll select a deal that I've already created. Inside the deal record, check if you already have line items added. If not, make sure to add them first. Once the line items are added, you can create a payment link directly from the deal record. Scroll down to the Payments section. If payments are not set up yet, you'll be prompted to set them up first. After setting up payments, click on Create Payment Link. This will open a new tab. From here, click on Create, then choose whether you want to start from a blank payment link or use a template. Select your preferred option and click Next. You'll then see the line items pulled from the deal. Review them, make any necessary adjustments, and click Save. After that, click Create to generate the payment link. Once created, your payment link is ready to be shared. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.